proved culprit. So in this way there was the end of the reign of terror and the convention government. After the death of Robespierre, Jacobin's government rule came to an end and the power was transferred in the hands of wealthier middle class section known as bourgeois. Here children you can see basically the middle class, the third in the third state the middle class people were further divided into 2 or 3 categories, uh, upper middle class and lower middle class. Upper middle class, they were known as a much richer rather than the other working class, and they were consisting up of 5% in total population. They were basically known as the bourgeois. In you can say the lawyers, the journalists, and such type of merchants, big traders, all they were consisting this upper middle class section of the society. And in France, in French society, they were known as the bourgeois. And the lower middle class, they were consisting up of 8% in total population, and they were uh, known as the lower middle class. So this time the power went into the hands of wealthier middle class, means richer middle class section, upper middle class section known as bourgeois. Bourgeois introduced new constitution in which they denied the right to vote to non-propertied section of society. Children, this is a system in all the societies. Either this is the society of India or it is a French society. So always we find a difference between the sections, the wealthier section and the non-wealthier section. So here also, as when the power came into the bourgeois or the middle class, they passed because they were not in the favor of the non-property section. So they passed a new constitution in 1795, and in that constitution the important reform which they made, that they again denied the right to vote to the non-property section of the society. This was their biggest reform. Now, what other things they did? They also made the 2 legislative councils. 2 legislative council, one was the upper legislative council, upper house, and another was known as the lower house. As in our country, you must have learnt about the upper and lower assemblies. So in the same way, there were also the 2 legislative councils in France. Then they appointed a directory. Directory, basically it was an executive of 5 members. They elected the members for the executive from the legislative council itself, and this 5 member executive was known as the directory. Here you can see this is the one of the meeting scene of the French directory. This was because to safeguard. Why they made this directory, the executive of 5 members? Because to safeguard against the concentration of power in one man executive. This 5 member executive, they made that the power should not be concentrated in one hand, as they have already experienced during the convention government. At that time the power was only in the hands of Robespierre, and Robespierre was not listening to others and he was following his policies in a very strict manner. So avoid that previous situation, this time the directory, the government elected one directory, the executive of 5 members. This directory ruled over France from 1795 to 1799. This was the period of the directory, and during this period, this 1795 to 1799, we can say this was the political unstable period in French history, because there were the 2 legislative councils and one directory, and most of the time There were the clashes between the directory and legislative councils, or and their clashes promoted political instability, and not big major changes were there, just clashes and all. Proposal was kept, proposal was discarded, and due to this there were number of clashes. So this was a period of chaos or political instability in France. So what happened when there was a political instability?